guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see an awesome electric scooter which is fully manufactured in India. So let's get into the video. Before that, in this video I am going to talk about the specifications and the ride quality and top speed, everything else I will talk on this video. So don't skip this video. Let's get into it. So the model is batteries low EV model. There is another model available which is Gypsy. So I will tell the difference between the both electric scooters at the last. So in this low EV model we have a length of 1820 mm and width of 520 mm and height of 1120 mm of height, and the weight of the bike is 60 kgs. The designing of the scooter is very good. So let's start with the tires. In the tires we have the 3.00 tires, 10-inch tires, and we have iron rims, and we have resistant braking and electronic braking system. If you want to know what is EABS, I will put a separate video. Let me know in the comments. And front and back you have disc brakes and suspension. And back side you have adjustable hydraulic coil suspension. And on the front side you have 4-type hydraulic suspension. The suspension quality and the brake quality is very good. And the size of the brakes are 220 mm disc brakes. And battery size are divided into 5 guys. There are 5 types of battery available for this model. I will tell you which model size and which price and which mileage giving. I will tell you in the last. On the front side you have headlamps, which is headlamp is fully LED, and the parking light is also LED. So on the back side you have fully halogen bulbs guys. There is no LED available for the back side of the bike. So you can see the indicators over here, left and right. So the ground clearance of the bike is 160 mm guys. So let's go for the back side. The back side we have fully halogen bulbs. So let me turn on the bulbs and see the light quality. So you can see the light quality over here. On the night time the night visibility is very good. And talking about the Gypsy model, in this and that model they have put an GPS tracking device on it. You can track your bike or scooter wherever it goes, and you can track the bike on your mobile. You can easily see where it is going or where it is located. And talking about the headlamps are full LED. You can see the lights over here, and the parking lights are also LED. The parking lights are blue in color. So you can see the high beam and low beam here. And talking about the foot space, there is many space over here. You can put any cylinders or boxes, anything you can carry over here. So let's switch on the bike and see what are on the instrument console. So they have a speedometer and the mode switcher and the battery percentage over here and the kilometers driven. So the high beam, low beam indicators, everything else. So this bike comes with 7 color variants: glossy black, grey, matte blue, red, silver, white and yellow. Comes with 7 color variants. And on the right hand side of the bike you have the horn. This bike comes with the dual horns and a mode switcher and the reverse mode. Everything else on the right hand side. On the left hand side you have high beam, low beam switches, indicator switches, and the horn over the left hand side. This comes with the dual horns, left and right. You can see the horn sound over here, the indicator notifications. So on the left and right you have dual reflectors. These are most common in the bikes, electric bikes. So on the back hand side you have the motor, which is BLDC motor. This is a hub motor guys. You can see the branding name or battery over here. So motor warranty is 2 years. And talking about the seats, so this is a single seat. The seat quality and the cushionable is very cushionable. You can see the pressings. So if you open the seat, so they have the MCB over here and the lock switch, and the material quality is also very good. So if you open the box, the battery is located over here. So you can see the quality of the materials. So let me open the battery afterwards. The closing and it is very good. So talking about gap rails is very good. So the charging port of the bike is located under the seat. So the charger of the bike is 54.6 volt charger and 10 amps charger guys. So this charging time of the scooter is 2.5 hours. So it differs to the battery levels. There are 5 battery available. So let me talk in the last. So if you switch on the bike and put it on the first mode, so let me show you in the display. First mode, the bike goes up to 25. So switching to the second mode, goes up to 38. you can see the wheel spinning. So switching to the third mode, the top speed goes up to 47 without the load, without any load. So you can see the speedometer. So for the reverse, you have to switch put the first mode on and press and accelerate, the bike will go on reverse. So at the speed of 6 km per hour. So you can see in the display. So let me open the seat and show the battery for you. So turn off the MCB. So opening the battery. This is an Okaya lithium battery. So in this battery we can see the battery percentage over here on the display. There is a small display slot over here. So pressing a button, you can see the battery percentage, battery amps. You can see the clearly and the age of the battery and everything else. You can see the see in here. Pressing a button. So if someone on an apartment or anything else, you can separate the battery with the scooter. So if you release that wire, you can pull up the battery and charge wherever you want. So this is a low weight battery, guys. The weight of the battery is very low. So if you charge the battery, you can put over here and plug on the wire and turn on the MCB. So let's close the cover of the battery. Before that, check for any misplacement. So let's closing the battery. So let's close the seat. So that's all, guys. That is very simple. So the safety features of the bikes are, you can lock the bike. If someone said you move the bike will give alarms. Different types of sounds over here. So the wheel will constantly lock. So you can unlock the bike also. So this is a remote key option, is very good, guys. So if you press a key, bike will go indicate and you can find where your bike is parking. So by pressing a button, you can also turn on the bike. So I have turned on the bike, but the key slot is not working. So I have to remotely work on the key. So the bike is on key off mode. So let's test the bike. So before that, I will tell about the battery specs. So the first battery available is 24Ah lithium ferrous phosphate battery that gives a range up to 60 to 65 km per charge and price up to 65 to 70k price. So this is the first battery available. So the second battery is 26Ah lithium ion battery, the same mileage available, 60 to 65 km per charge, and the price range of the bike is same as 65 to 70k. And the first mode, you have the speed up to 24, and I have put the bike on second mode. So I'm talking about another battery. There are two batteries that I can fix. Two 24Ah battery lithium ion. So 60 plus 60 mileage, 120 kilometers per charge, and price up to 85 to 90k. So I have to turn on the third mode. So in the second mode, the speed goes up to 36. So suspension quality and everything is very good. So another battery type available is 30Ah lithium ferrous phosphate battery. So this gives mileage up to 70 to 80 km per charge and price up to 70 to 75k. So turning radius of the bike is very good, guys. So talking about the last battery type, this is in 42Ah lithium ferrous phosphate battery that gives range up to 100 to 110 and price up to 80 to 85k. So this bike is also available on Amazon. I will give the link on description. You can also check it out. And if you are on Coimbatore or Salem, the side, you can buy the bike on the showrooms. I will give the showroom details below. So the top speed of the third mode goes up to 43. So the braking and the suspension are very good. So this bike is suitable for college students or any other personal use. You can use the bike for daily commute, etc. So this scooter is a non-registered bike, so any school students or college students under the age of 18, they can easily drive the bike. This is no bike, this is a scooter. So I am telling invest bike. So using an electric bike, we can save the petrol cost up to maximum. So the current charges will be very low compared to the petrol charges. So because 1 liter of petrol sells up to 100 per liter. This is going very high, guys. We have to switch to electric bikes. So I am giving this review for that. So hope you guys like this video. So the main plus point of the scooter is this comes with 5 battery variants. You can choose the batteries with your price of the bike, so you can easily choose with that. So I will show the reverse. So switching the mode to 1, I'm pressing the reverse key and accelerator, the bike will go on reverse. So you can see the speed up to 5 kilometers per hour, and if you normally accelerate, the bike will go on front. So hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe with your family. Share it with the friends who wants to buy an LD scooter. So this is an awesome scooter, guys. So see you in another tech contents. Until then, bye.